Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to retone my hair. I bleached it, and now I want to retone it using this Wella T14 toner. Everyone uses the T18, I believe it is, but my beauty supply store ran out and they didn't have any more, so this is the closest thing I got to buy something. It's what I bleached my hair with. It's the toner that I used the first time, but I don't know, right now it looks, I don't know, it looks like it's getting brassy again, so I'm thinking that maybe I'll just retone it. So I'll see what that looks like. See if I retone it, if maybe it'll make it the way that I want it to be. So I'm gonna use the toner. I seen that you're supposed to use 20 developer. You know, I have my brush, I picked my hair out, and I cannot find my bowl for my mixer, so I'm just going to use this empty, cleaned out Eco Style gel. So, that's what I'm going to be using to retone my hair. I do have the purple Shimmer Lights shampoo. I will be using that as well. So yeah, we'll see what that looks like when I'm done. I'm gonna try not to really get my roots. I've had my hair like this for about a week now. Yeah, it's been a little bit over a week, but it's pretty much been like a little bit over a week I've had my hair like this. And I don't want to I have a little, very little bit of black roots inside. I don't know if you can really see. It's very little. Like, it's very little, but I don't want to touch that. I kind of actually like the whole black roots thing. So I just want it to not be brassy. So right now it's brassy and I just want to try to take that out. So I'm going to retone the hair. So we'll see how it comes out. Looks like this for now. I'm about to rinse it out. So I'm gonna rinse it out and see what it looks like. Ain't nobody gonna do the things I did. Ain't nobody gonna kiss the way I kiss. Alright, so we're back. Next video will be the big reveal. So we'll see what this looks like underneath. This is what it looks like, the after effect, y'all. And I love it. I love it. This is what I've been wanting. I like this. So my hair was turning yellow. I wasn't feeling that, but I'm feeling this. So it's great.
That niggas get pissed off, start airing it. Get a head start, ain't friendly. I stand out, don't blend in. When I say that, I meant it. I don't want to talk to you, head bitch. I don't want features on that.